Brought to you by JEGS.
Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new American Thunder system for 2009 through 2011 Dodge Ram 1500s that are equipped with a factory single tailpipe. This catback stainless steel system features a clamp-on inlet pipe, 50 Series HD Muffler, and dual 2.5-inch tailpipes, with components to allow the installer to choose either a side or rear exit configuration. As an American Thunder system, it will typically produce a moderate interior and exterior sound level. If you're looking for an increase in power, torque, or mileage with a performance sound, this system delivers.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.